Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a stage channel within Discord. So all of the rage lately has been apps like Clubhouse, and then you have Twitter Stages. Well, Discord jumped in on the action with their new stage feature, which basically is identical to what Clubhouse has, where you can have a speaker on stage and then folks listening in and then bring people on stage to ask questions and do things that way. So in order to do this within Discord, what you need to do is go to your server. You have to have access to the settings on the server. So you have to be either a server creator or the owner of the server, or a moderator who has these roles as well. So once you're here, go up to your server and then go to server settings, hit the drop down menu here, and then go to server settings. The first thing that you have to do here is go under community. You'll see a new tab here right in the middle where it says enable community. Go to enable community and then go to the blue get started button there in the very middle. All of this is just kind of, I guess you would say, upkeep things. So make sure that you go here, you hit the checkbox here, and then just click the next button for a couple of times. Go next, and then go ahead and check these boxes here that you agree and understand what's going on, and then click the finish setup button there in the lower right hand corner. Once you have enabled community, you should now see a disable community button in the lower right hand corner. That means you've done everything correctly. Once you've done this, go ahead and exit out of the settings, back to your server. Now we can go ahead and create a stage channel. So go ahead and right click anywhere over here where your channels are listed. So right click over there on the far left and then go to create channel. It's going to give you a list of the types of channels that you can create. We now have text, voice, announcement, and now here is the wonderful stage channel. It'll have the kind of podcast looking icon there. Go ahead and select that by clicking the circle there and give this channel a name. So for me, I'm just going to call this, for the purposes of this tutorial, stage in all caps, just so you guys know what I'm doing, and then click the blue next button there. Then it's going to ask you, add stage moderators. Now, stage moderators are completely different than Discord moderators for your channel. They are speakers who can add and remove other speakers into the stage. So these people are very important. You don't want just anyone moderating your stage channels and bringing in, John Joe, or whoever it is, people that you don't even know. So you want some type of moderation going on. So what we will do here is we will add moderators. So I'm going to go ahead and add Vince as a moderator, and then myself obviously will be a moderator by default, and then go ahead and click the blue create channel button there. Now, as you can see, we have a stage channel here. It's the one right here. I'll drag it all the way to the bottom just to make it easier to see. I'm going to go ahead and go to keep current settings there. Once we've done that, you can see here, you can join a stage channel by going here and clicking into it just like you would a voice channel. So go to the stage channel here. It says welcome to stages. Go ahead and click got it, because you're going to get all of that here in this tutorial video. Now, unlike a voice channel, you actually have to have a stage topic. So what you're going to want to do here is give a topic or a debate as to what you're going to be talking about. So for me, it's going to be stage channels. And then once you've decided on a topic, go to the open the stage button there on the lower right hand corner. As you can see, the folks who are listening in are going to be down below. The speaker, which is myself, will be on the stage here up at the top of the screen. And then it lets you know you are in the stage channel, lets you know what you're talking about, and then you have the folks down below. And if Vince wanted to raise his hand to let me know that he wants to speak, he can then click the raised hand option. It'll be down here below for the folks listening. And now you can see, I'm going to zoom in here, the hand icon is in the upper right hand quadrant to let you know, hey, this individual wants to speak on stage. Kind of let you know, oh, we have a couple of questions down there. We need to bring those folks on. If you want to see all requests as the moderator here, you can go down here where the hand raised icon is. You'll see a little notification. If you click on that, it'll let you know Vince is requesting to speak over here on the right hand side. To bring them up to the stage, what you would then do is right click on them and go to invite to speak. They will then get notified in the upper quadrant of their screen. You're being invited to speak. Do you want to speak? And then boom, as you can see, Vince is up here as normal within Discord. Whenever anyone speaks, they will have a green border around their screen. Now, if I wanted to say, okay, Vince is done, he's asked his question, I want to put him back down into the audience, I would just right click on him again and then go to move to audience, and then that would move him right back down to the audience. Now, within anything with Discord, I could right-click on Vince. I could change his volume if he's too high or too low. So if you're streaming this, okay, and people are asking questions, then you could say, oh man, he's too loud. Well, I could reduce his volume like I normally would. I could mute him like I normally would. And if they're getting unruly and you want to kick them out altogether, you would right-click and then go to kick Vince or ban Vince if he's been really bad or really naughty, and then that will remove him from the stage forever, and then you can kick him, and then you'll have to re-invite him to get him back in. So that's all of the features within the stage channel on Discord. I believe this is going to be a big deal. Obviously, all of these companies are doing this because it's been very successful. Clubhouse just released their monetization strategy where they're basically going to allow creators to charge a fee to get people to come into their virtual conferences or whatever it may be. Discord has done the thing that they always do. They've taken a feature and to me, they've made it better. Being able to do this on your computer, being able to stream this, being able to just utilize Discord as a virtual conferencing feature, to me is amazing. But you still have all of the feature sets of a voice channel, of a video channel, of a text channel. And so these new stage channels to me are definitely the future. So we'll definitely see where Discord goes with that altogether. If you want to leave and close out a stage, you would go to exit quietly here. And as you can see, if you want to allow requests from multiple people, you can check this here. That will disallow people from requesting their hands raised. If you're like, hey, we're about to close out, no more questions, you can close that out by doing that there. And then go to exit quietly. And now the stage is only going to be people listening. And then if I right click on that here, you can see I can either delete, hide names, edit channels like I normally would, and then you are good to go. Thank you guys, as always, for watching my videos. Don't forget, if this helps you out, you can help me out by going and liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. I would really appreciate it, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.